In other news, the nation's top cop chief PNP Romel Marbil begs an audience with Comelec Commish George Garcia to enlighten him and erase all doubts and worries over the enforcement of Oplang Katok. Still, the full body head honcho has reservations and misgivings about his firearm renewal scheme that could have political implications, as we hear more from our Ryan Lesillas.
No, we need to discuss with the chairman kasi po yung normal police duty po natin yan. And remember, ang firearms po nagagamit po sa violence yan.
On Tuesday, the Philippine National Police or PNP is expected to meet the Commission on Elections to clarify concerns regarding Oplang Katok. According to PNP, this will be an opportunity for the police to present the mechanism of Oplang Katok, demonstrate how it works, and identify who exactly are up for police visits. Despite this, the PNP remains firm that it will not halt operations against loose firearms. This despite the Comelec's request to first present the operational plan and reassess the program before implementing it during the election period. For the Comelec, Oplang Katok could potentially be used for intimidation by candidates or for political purposes. However, according to PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil, they will only pay visits to gun owners whose licenses have expired to remind them to renew. Marbil added having a list based on their data system of individuals with expired firearms licenses who need to be notified. He also stressed that Oplang Katok will not be used for political purposes or harassment.
Ang kinakatok lang po namin yung mga unregistered firearms. Hindi po lahat ng bahay kinakatok namin, ha. Yung may mga baril na hindi po lang i-register kasi gusto namin i-account. Kasi kung hindi mo ma-register, we have to get it. Yun yung baril na yan. Kasi, di ba, may mga tao dyan, nalilimutan nila. Asa na yung baril? That's the purpose ng katok.
The Chief of the National Police insists the implementation of Oplang Katok is not prohibited during the election period. According to the PNP, they are tracking over 1 million firearms with expired licenses based on their records. Since 2024, the PNP Firearms and Explosive Office has issued over 600,000 notices to gun owners with expired licenses. More than 347,000 of these cases resulted in license revocations due to non-renewal. In summary, over 500,000 notices still need to be sent to firearm owners.
Na kapag ka nag-expire yung kanilang firearms registration, considered na po kasi yung baril na yon as loose firearms. Kaya nagbo-bloat po yung numero ng loose firearms natin kasi nadadagdag po doon yung mga nagpaso na po na license.
Ryan Lesillas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.